English together.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee or tea, Angela?
I'll have a coffee, please.
Okay, one coffee for you and one tea for me.
Thanks, Tom. You make good coffee.
Thanks. So, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do. I always have 1 cup in the morning. It helps me wake up.
Same here, but I already had 2 cups of coffee today, so now I'm drinking tea.
2 cups of coffee? That's a lot. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like it. Tea is nice and relaxing. What about you?
I like green tea, but I don't like black tea. It tastes too strong for me.
Oh, I love black tea with milk. I drink it at breakfast.
Do you like other hot drinks, like hot chocolate?
Yes, especially in winter. It's sweet and warm.
I drink warm milk with honey when I have a cold. It helps my throat.
That's nice. I drink lemon and ginger tea when I'm sick.
What about cold drinks?
I usually drink water. It's healthy.
Me too. I sometimes have orange juice or a milkshake.
Oh, I love milkshakes. Do you drink soft drinks like cola?
Not often. Too much sugar.
Exactly. Water is the best drink.
I agree.
Now, let's learn some drink vocabulary. Coffee. Green tea. Black tea. Hot chocolate. Milk. Milkshake. Soft drinks. Cola. Water. What's your favorite drink? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.